Hello there folks, I'm Dan Brown from boyonaboat.com. It's nice and early in the morning and, well, it's certainly a glorious day out there. So I think it's about time that we went on a little boat ride. So obviously before we can go anywhere, we need to unmoor. So then, as I do the last of the unmooring, I'll say I've done all the morning checks of the oil and the water, so all things in order. I'll give her a quick push away from the side. Now, we need to hop on board. Hope the engine starts. Well folks, that's been a very quick trip. Probably only moved for about 40 minutes and not sure if I've even moved a mile, but what a place to be. And this is what boat life is all about. Right then, I better finish up mooring because I've got a feeling that that's not a substantial enough knot to hold it to the side. So, check out boyonaboat.com for loads more boating bits, and I will see you around soon. Farewell.